So we are on a Dunkin ride with the kiddos, and I took the OG out today. It's actually my favorite bike, but I never bring it on the group rides because I don't ever know how long the rides are going to be. If they're over 20 miles, I get a little scared. So it's my around town bike, but I haven't shown it on the channel in a while, so figured today would be a good day if any. Let me show you my favorite feature of this damn bike. Love it. I figured since we're here, I'm gonna give the brown sugar cold brew a try. I think it's new at Dunkin. Plus it's only $3 for a medium. Get my little caffeine fix. Pretty good. A little bit too sweet for me, but still pretty good. We are headed on the bike chasing ride. Got a little special guest. My little girl is with me. And she wants to take a picture and I'm in her way. But we are headed over there.
Yo, what up, bike riders? JC.
Alright, we're gonna have a fun time. And we're gonna test out the 360. Apparently, we got split up into two groups. There is a group ahead of us, and we're playing catch up right now with them. Got my daughter with me, but this is gonna be fun. Spend some time hanging out. She's on the Lectric XP. We're gonna have a good time. See some sights, see some lit up rides, and hopefully get some food after because I am already hungry. Enjoy. And the 360's on. Let's go. going on here. Man, I could have brought the OG for this one. Keep talking about that damn bike. I gotta take it out one day. Alright, made it to Midtown 39th Street Terminal. Now we're headed over to Port Imperial, which is Edgewater, Weehawken area. And then we're gonna head down to Jersey City. And that'll be the ride.